how to generate AI music with Google Gemini. So if you want to generate AI music with Google Gemini, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to make sure that you've updated your application. If you've not installed, then you just need to simply go and install it. Open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for Gemini. And if you've not installed, just simply go and install. And if you have any updates, just go and update it. Once you've updated, you need to tap on Open, which will be on the right side. And after opening, if you've not created an account, you can just simply go and create one. Or if you already have an account, just go and log in. Once you do that here, as you can see that if you open your Gemini, you will get all of these options right here. You need to tap on Create Music. And then you can pick a track to remix. Or you can also describe your track. On the bottom, you can just simply go and write that you want to create a song about something that you like. And then just simply go with Send, which will be on the right side. And it might take a few seconds. And it will generate you a music track. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.